Hey guys, I'm here to walk you through fitting and installing your BFGoodrich factory fit floor mats for trucks and Jeeps. These mats are great because they're BFG quality and are really easy to install and customize for that close, tight factory fit protection. You've got a couple of options for how to customize them, and I'll walk you through those in the next couple of minutes. So to get started, go to factoryfitguide.com and search for your vehicle at the top of the page. If you've got an older or less common truck, it might not be listed. But keep watching and you'll still be able to customize it. Once you've gotten to your vehicle page, you'll see an image with a colored line making a pattern inside the mat. That's going to be your guide for customization. Now, another great thing about these mats that make them really easy to work with is that they all have colored trim lines printed onto the backs. There are unique mats made for Jeeps and Ford, Ram, GM, and Toyota trucks. Once you have the mat for your make, each color on the back stands for a group of models and years with similar floor pans. So all you have to do is match up the color for your year and model and cut along that line. And in fact, if you still have your package, you can check the pull-out tab on there and it'll also show you what color to follow for what we recommend as the best fit. Some guys like a smaller footprint for their mats, and some guys like the mats to be larger and kind of roll up the walls. So we also recommend that you put the mats in before you cut them at all to get a feel for how much you want to cut. From there, you can follow our instructions or just use your judgment to cut away what looks like too much to you. If you've got some old mats that you really like, you can even use those as kind of a pattern on top of the new BFGs and just mark all the areas that need to be cut away. Today I'm fitting these for a 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and I can see on this handy chart that I need to be following the green line. So here I go. And look at that, great fit. It comes all the way to the edges of the carpet and fits really nicely in here and goes right up to the walls. If you made your own cut pattern, be sure to check that there's no interference between the pedals and the mat. You don't want the mat to get caught somehow and get in the way of braking or accelerating. Now the last thing to do is attach the grip clip strip. These mats really shouldn't slide around since they're fit to your floor, but the grip clip is extra security and will help keep the mat solidly in place. Pretty simple and straightforward, but I'm really excited about using these and having some more BFG gear on my Jeep, and I hope you guys are too. Give us a call or send us a message if you've got any questions, and enjoy.